Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the Spigen Galaxy Note 9 Ultra Hybrid S. And this is a clear case with a kickstand, which is always a good thing to have a kickstand because a Galaxy Note 9 is a big phone, and with the kickstand you can just prop it on a desk or a table and watch videos, movies and things like that, or listen to songs. It's a military grade. What is this? Military grade 810G or something like that? I can't see. Yeah. The 810G rating is, I believe, for up to 20 drops. I might be wrong. Up to from 3 feet away or something like that. So here on the front is the picture of a Note 9, I guess in gray. Although they didn't have anything with gray from what I hear. And then right here on the side is something you want. Here in the back is the features, so you can pause that and read it for yourself. It shows you the kickstand. It got air cushion technology or something like that, and how to install it. And then on this side says Spigen. Up top nothing. On the bottom just some maybe model numbers, crystal clear right there. So let's open it up. And here we go. I guess this is some instructions with did the metal kickstand come on or something like that. We will test that out. Yes, we will. So here it is. It doesn't look like it came with any, like some of these clear cases I've gotten, especially like the ones from Rinky. They'll have stickers on the inside and on the back to keep this hard plastic or clear case from getting scratched during like transit, but this one didn't have it. It's probably why it got delivered really quick. I was supposed to not get this until the 24th, which is this Friday, and I got it like this past Sunday, but I didn't want to do the unboxing until I got my Note 9, which is right here, all wiped down and ready to go. So let's put it in. Wait, yeah, let's put it in, and then we'll do the walkthrough. See here in real time how easy or difficult it is to put this case in, and it went in with no problems. No problems at all. What is this? Okay, I guess that's it. Okay, so we have the phone installed inside the case, and it's a nice tight snug fit. Let's go through a little walkthrough. So right here, starting from the front, you can see you have these raised lips on the top and bottom. That'll protect your screen from like drops on the front of the phone. And like I said, this ultra hybrid case is military 810G rated, so they did drop testing on this to get that certification. I think a military 810G, like I said, is up to 20 drops from 3 feet, if I'm not mistaken. So right here on, this is the left side, we have the Spigen logo. We have the Bixby button right here in your volume rocker, and we're going to test those out. Right here up top, you have the air cushion technology writing right there and your cutout for the microphone. And then here on the right side is the button for your power button. And right here it says designed in Irvine, California, made in South Korea. Okay, right here in the back is the camera cutout, and it looks good. And you can see there's lip around the camera and also the fingerprint. And there's this little, like, a little slope to go to the fingerprint scanner. So when you're touching the back, you can just feel for that slope, and then you'll hit the fingerprint scanner, and you're good to go right there. So no problems there. Let me show you guys again. Boom. See, so it's easier to feel for that fingerprint scanner. Also here in the back is our Spigen logo and kickstand. And let's see if it works. So kickstand is good to go. So now, you can watch movies or videos or YouTube or read something without even touching your phone, and just lay it on a desk or a table. So the kickstand comes really handy, especially for big phones like the Note 9. It's not really a requisite when I pick out a case, but it's good to have, and it's a good extra feature to have. Right here on the my main things for selecting a case is how good it looks, and if it adds extra thinness or thickness to the phone, and also the protection. If there's any drop protection ratings or anything like that too, it is an extra bonus. Right here on the bottom, we got our headphone jack cutout, and you got the cutout for the USB-C, the cutout for the bottom microphone, the speaker, and the S Pen. Let's see if we can get the S Pen out with no problems. S Pen is good, no problems removing the S Pen or anything like that, so that's good to go. And we're gonna check out the headphone jack now, and also the USB-C port, and see how that goes. So let me get those and get it ready. Okay, starting with these are my Bear Dynamic headphones, and they do have a fatter, let's say, male or tail end. And we're gonna just test it out to see if it plugs into the headphone jack with no problem. Yeah, no issues plugging into the headphone jack. Now let's check for USB. So here's a USB-C cord that came with my Gear 360 camera, and it fits no problem, no issues. Guys hear that? Nice and easy, no issues there. And here's the Note 8, and which is also be for the Note 9. USB converter, USB-C to USB converter for using that smart switch. Yeah, Samsung smart switch. And this will also replicate a, what is that called? Aftermarket USB-C cords that you might want to buy for your Note and have them on handy extra. Like my Note phone USB-C cords, I put them in my car, and that's where I charge them. And so that works, no problem, no issues. As you can see, it plugged in without any issue at all, as you can see right there. So that's good to go. Now let's test out our buttons. The good thing with these buttons is they're slightly raised, and some of them, like the Bixby and your volume and also the power buttons, have some type of like extra like knurling, or just like here you could, let's get a close-up if my camera will focus. You could see there's like these extra like know how to say it, like gripping or whatever, so you can feel the buttons out even when you're not looking at them. So let's unlock our phone, and power button is good and it's very responsive. Let's try out Bixby. So Bixby works, as you can see.
I need 0 acts to continue.
Yeah, whatever. And then our volume rocker is good. Volume rocker is good. So everything seems good to go. So also this case, if you use a wireless charger or wireless charging pad, it's wireless charging compatible, all of these cases. The one knock that I can see right now that I don't like is this, see that? That's like a what they call a watermark. And because of this clear plastic thing, it kind of shows those sometimes. And also, it's very, I don't know if my camera is showing, but it attracts a lot of smudges and fingerprints on here, which my other cases don't, or most of these clear TPU or plastic, hard plastic, or semi-hard, semi-soft plastic cases, clear cases especially, show up with a lot of fingerprints. Although my case is not showing it, or the camera's not showing it right now, but right there, you could probably see it a little bit of the fingerprints. So yeah, but all in all, it's a very nice case. Like I said, it doesn't add too much extra thickness except for right here. If you're talking about thickness, and as far as width goes, it doesn't add that much width, maybe just a little bit because of the sides, on the sides for extra protection, and also the top and bottom. But that's a good thing, never a bad thing to have that, a little bit of extra protection for the sides and extra protection all around. So that is always a good thing. So yeah, the only knock on this case is this part right here where it looks like it shows this little watermark, and that's because some of the clear cases, I think some of the rinky ones, they have like extra, like inside of the case they'll have extra padding on the sides for the clear cases so that this thing doesn't show up like that, this little watermark. And even on some of Spigen's cases, like their cheaper, what is that? There's cheaper liquid crystal clear cases. They have like this dot matrix kind of pattern inside, and it's still clear, but the dot matrix pattern, like they're like tiny little bubbles that keep it from that, when your phone touches it doesn't make that little watermark right there. If I'm pretty sure if I had the like a D brand skin on there, it won't make that because of the vinyl texture. But certain textures like plastic or plastic on plastic or glass on glass, it'll kind of make those little watermarks right there. But other than that, yeah, this is a very good case. You can pick it up on Amazon.com for $14.99. At least that's how much it was at the time that I purchased it. And this is the Spigen Galaxy Note 9 Ultra Hybrid S. There's a regular Ultra Hybrid that does not have the kickstand. In the Ultra Hybrid S, which is this one right here, it does have the kickstand right here. So yeah, that is it. Highly recommended. Very good case. So that is our look at the Spigen Galaxy Note 9 Ultra Hybrid S. Everybody take care. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you soon for another video. Have a great day.